Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing a whole chicken. We're going to start off with our chicken. We'll go ahead and spatchcock it. It's where you cut out the breastbone, you make it flat, it cooks more even, and it cooks faster. We'll hit it with that old mustard binder and get that rubbed in. Now we got our mustard binder, we're going to go ahead and put an injection in. This is my poultry injection. It's going to inject it everywhere. That's going to help put flavor and moisture inside the bird. Okay, we got our chicken injected. We'll hit it with that Heath Riles chicken rub and the Heath Riles garlic butter. Okay, we got our chicken rubbed down. It's time to go out to the pit. Okay, we got our chicken on the pit. We're gonna cook it at 250 till the temp hits about 150. Then we're gonna crank it up to 300 to 350 and let that skin crisp up all the way to 165. Okay, so our chicken's hit 165. We'll pull it off the smoker. As you can see, it's juicy. We're gonna let it rest for a few minutes, let those juices lock in, and we're gonna cut it up. That skin's crispy, it's juicy on the inside, and it's ready to cut. It just falls apart right there. This chicken is perfectly done and full of juice. You won't ever hear anybody talk about bland, dry chicken if you make this. And that's where it's at.